This was it. The end of our 15-day quest. One last morning to connect with the south before we are homebound. We decided to explore one of Madikeri's top attractions, the Raja's Seed Garden, a place where Coorg's flora and fauna were on spontaneous display.
I love this, I love that. जितने भी destinations पे गए हैं, we've seen quite a few picture ops like that. But यहाँ देखा तो we just felt like taking a picture because ये जगह सच में अच्छी लगी.
Yeah, I really love Coorg. So, yeah, good job. Bro, तू समझदार है ना? खाली बिस्लरी पीने का. Come on, after 8:30 they'll charge. After 8:30 they'll charge. So for morning walkers, this park is free.
Yeah.
So हम लोग ने free में entry मारा है.
Surrounded by splendid art on all sides, our morning walk through the park was a vivid demonstration of the life and culture of the kings and queens of Kodagu 4 centuries ago.
One last time we had to stop for this. One last coffee.
I don't think one last time I'm stopping because
Yeah, we might stop again. You never know. But
I want to have as much of the coffee as I can before I leave this place.
And off we go. Filled to the brim with coffee and happy memories, we were all set for the grueling ride ahead. No more breaks.
Stop for breakfast somewhere, so might as well be here. Just quickly go and say 1 masala dosa for me, whatever for you, 2 strong filter coffees and a bottle of water. Masala dosa, ghee roast, verdict, it's good, and 2 filter coffees. We are at Kushal Nagar. So we are taking this route from Coorg to Kushal Nagar to Javagal, up north towards Hassan, and then to Davangere, and then we'll take the Hubli, Belgaum, Kolhapur, Pune highway home. Welcome to Africa. We are in the Savannah grasslands. This road is not nice. From Kushal Nagar to Hassan to Davangere, loads of speed bumps, lots of potholes, lots of patches of tar missing from the road, like that one. I just need a 1-minute break to recover from that madness. From Hassan now we are headed towards Davangere. Google Maps says we may have to cross through Javagal. I think that may be the hometown of the famous cricketer. It's 10:40 now. I think by 12:30 we should be at Davangere. Wow, what a procession near Hoysaleshwar temple at Halebeed. The temple also is really beautiful, but right now it was too hot, so we didn't stop to record. Looks like we're going to need many breaks on this ride. The gloves that I'm using are not very nice. Cuts my finger. I need to wash this now. Davangere is 108 kilometers. So we should be there in the next couple of hours, maybe by 3 o'clock. That's when we'll stop for lunch.
इसने ब्रांडिंग बहुत किया पूरा हाईवे पे. शिवा होटल प्योर वेज. लॉजिंग भी है, एसी भी है, लेकिन अभी नहीं है. अभी खाली पंखा है. 320 किलोमीटर, 6.5 hours. Pretty good.
Thank you. Bye. लंच काफ़ी टेस्टी था.
आइसक्रीम देख रही थी उसके अंदर
MH02, madam. Where are you from? Maharashtra. Maharashtra. We're back in business, folks. Woo! 700 kilometers to go. We've already done 322. अयो तंगबली 17 लोग बैठ के. Fantastic sunset. We've crossed Hubli and Dharwad. We are closer to Belagavi than we are to Hubli. Look at that. What a feeling, man. Watching the sun go down. Every time you watch it go down, every time you see a sunset, it's a different feeling. It's a unique emotion. Wish we could stop somewhere for 10 minutes and watch the rest of the show, but today we are on a tight schedule. Proper 7 p.m. now. It's pitch dark. We'll just stop for 20 minutes to have a coffee, wash my windshield visor, helmet windshield visor, and let my eyes adjust to the changing light. We've come, sorry.
Let our butts adjust to the face.
It's 530 kilometers so far.
Not bad.
I think we can call it a day. What do you say?
Let's see.
We've just reached Belgaum actually.
अभी तक कहाँ पहुँचते हो देखते हैं.
9 o'clock ना? 2 घंटा और. It is now 7:21 और हम लोग निकल चुके हैं बेलगांव से. Next stop, hopefully after Kolhapur. होटल व्हाइट हाउस निप्पानी.
Mandatory stop.
मतलब सेफ है अपन, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. एक बार घर के अंदर आ गया ना.
उनको कोई क्या बोलेगा.
हाँ, होटल कोल्हापुरा. ओ मैडम, अभी अपने को गाड़ी शुरू करके 13 तास हो गए. अभी मैडम तुम बताने का तुमको क्या खाने का है, कोल्हापुरी थाली कि कोल्हापुरी चप्पल?
थाली मैं खाऊंगी, चप्पल है. व्हाट, ऐसी गंदी मराठी आप बोल रहे हो ना, कोई सुनेगा ना, पकड़ के इतना मारेगा कि तांबड़े पांडरे आप ही हो जाए.
Time is 10:15, 14 hours into the ride, 700 थाली. किया है, पहले भी किया है मैंने 700. मुंबई उदयपुर में 700.
उदयपुर चंडीगढ़ was 900.
हाँ, so that was the longest so far. We didn't stop at Kolhapur. We are at Karad, not by choice.
It's just that we weren't feeling so tired. थोड़ा सा और खींच देखते हैं. Because कल फिर उतना distance कम cover करना पड़ेगा.
And right now we have stopped for dinner. Small dinner,
light,
quick, light.
light.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
पेन है, थोड़ा सा पेन है नेक में.
थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, थोड़ा नहीं, काफी है. Just look at this exactness. Exactly 1000 kilometers and exactly 5 a.m. Well, not exactly 2 minutes, but almost exactly.
If it was not 5 a.m., I would have screamed so loud.
Happy dance, happy dance. Madikeli to Mulund, 1000 kilometers done. 21 hours, no?
This was what we were attempting actually. मजाक में हो गया. Can you believe it?
First time for me on 1000 kilometers in one go.
We've been trying to do it since a lot many years, but
बस हो गया, और बात ही नहीं करना मेरे को. Good night.